You playing in the snow, mister? Huh? Noah? Do you like the snow? Huh? Do you like the snow? Yeah? Come here. You stuck? You like it?
Shut up, you little pot licker. I'll put you in a microwave.
Yeah?
Does he like it?
Yeah.
I can't even see my phone.
Go get her. I know, where's Mom, huh? Mom's missing it.
Oh, I can't even take a picture. It's too bright.
Well, you can take a picture. It's because it's a droid, right? That's what you have, is a droid.
Yeah?
It has auto adjust kind of deal, so when it's bright out, it dims the screen.
Oh. Noah!
Noah, where's Grandma?
Noah! Beep-boo! Beep-boo!
Where's Grandma?
We're going to put him by the snowball.
I know, right? Noah, come here.
Man, this is nasty where it snows on here.
Oh, I know. I'll scrape it up before I go. Come here.
That's not... Oh, I don't want to be in it. I'm going to put him by it.
I'm just videotaping right now.
Oh.
You like it?